This is a pretty impressive arsenal you have here. Do you think you could show me how you put these things to use?
Yeah.
So how do you start?
So I start getting all the dirt out, and you grab the wheel cleaner and this little thing right here. And you just go in and you don't really have to like worry about getting in the cracks with this part. You just circle it out. You really just want to get in the middle of it. It's all the cracks where you can't get. I love doing this.
How does it feel to be making the type of money you're making at your age?
I would say I definitely brag a lot about it.
It's good. You should be proud of what you do.
Yeah.
All right, what's the next step here?
Next step is fill up the suds soap.
So I noticed you don't have a bucket. Where's your suds bucket?
It actually makes the car dirtier because you're putting your mitt back into the dirty bucket.
Here, I'll screw this on for you.
Basically here, and you just go in.
Oh, that's sweet.
Go out. You want to wipe it fast because it'll dry in really hot, like hot water.
And you told me you've actually inspired some of your friends to start their own businesses, haven't you?
Yeah, I don't go over and give them like a motivational talk or whatever. It's not really words, it's mostly just like them watching me do it.
Actions.
So, yeah. Well, you just gotta find like what you're good at and have fun doing it. Last step is you just spray it down and you go top to bottom again.
All right, let me give it a shot.
I think that's good.
How'd you become an expert in this? Like all these little techniques that you're telling me.
It took a little like self-discovery and a little bit of Google.
What's your favorite part of this business?
Seeing the end product, seeing the car all clean and knowing that I did it is pretty fun.
Do you see yourself hiring employees ever?
For now, I think I'm gonna keep it me, myself, and I.
I don't know, Bill Gates started his company in a garage and we're pretty close, so we'll see where you end up.
Yeah.
Trey, thank you so much for having me out here today, showing me what your business is all about. I'm really excited to see where you go next. I will be watching, and next time my car gets dirty, I know where to find you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much for watching The Hustle. To make sure you don't miss out on any more videos like this, please subscribe at PragerU.com today.